No,
Get out of the
bro.
vehicle.
Bro,
Get out of the
no.
car. Get out of the car.
Call my mama, bro.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Come on.
No, bro. Call my
Get out
mama.
of the
Bro,
car.
get the fuck off me, bro.
Get out of the car.
Bro, no,
Step out.
bro. No, bro.
Step out.
Bro, I press the fuck at your ass.
Go ahead.
I don't even know. Bro, don't take me.
Face the car.
Get off me, bro. No, I'm not going to
Face the
jail,
car.
bro. Get off me. Get the fuck off me, bro.
Face the car. Face the car. Face her.
Face
her up. Face the car.
Bro, for what? Bro, don't take me, bro.
Turn around.
Turn around now. What's wrong with y'all ass? Bro, on y'all shit.
Now you're the victim. They're only arresting you because you're black. They only arresting you because they messing around. They ain't got nothing else to do. No, you broke the law. Simple as that. You broke the law. We have a 20-year-old indignant that was fleeing the scene, and I guess, and is telling the officers what she ain't gonna do. Of course, she has the shower cap, a bonnet on her head, and the officers is telling her, "Look, you flee the scene. We are going to arrest you." And of course, she's gonna say, "I got to call my mama," which I don't know where that comes from, but she got to call her mama. So without further ado, let's take a look at another indignant.
An officer located a vehicle that had just fled from his traffic stop.
Clear the chambers. You don't see my lights behind you?
I was pulling over. I just want to pull over in nobody's yard.
No, you don't do that. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
For what?
Step out of the car. Step
What I'm
out.
stepping out for?
No, you stay inside the car. You step out.
Oh.
Because you're clearly fleeing.
No, I would not flee.
I lit you up late on orange. Let's go. Come on. I'm done with you.
I'm not going to jail.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Get out of the vehicle.
Come on.
No,
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Call my mama, bro.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Come on.
No, bro. Call my
Get out
mama.
of the
Bro,
car.
get the fuck off me, bro.
Get out of the car.
Bro, no,
Step out.
Bro, no, bro.
Step out.
Bro, I press the fuck at your ass.
Go ahead.
I don't even know. Bro, don't take me.
Face the car.
Get off me, bro. No, I'm not going to
Face the
jail,
car.
bro. Get off me. Get the fuck off me, bro.
Face the car. Face the car. Face her.
Bro,
her up. Face the car.
Bro, for what? Bro, don't take me, bro.
Turn around.
Turn around now. What's wrong with y'all ass? Bro, on y'all shit. Bro, stop got me. I'm not finna fall on the phone.
You're gonna get
No,
tased.
the fuck I'm not. I ain't do shit, bro. Bro, call my mom. Call my mom. 523.
Stop.
523.
You're gonna get tased. Stop.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Call my mama. 523.
Back of a car.
Bro, no, bro. Do shit, bro. Get off me.
You can put her in mine.
Bro, call the lawyer. Bro, I'm gonna bind out, bro. I got money.
Alright. Put her out.
Bro, what the f is y'all doing, bro?
Not taking off. Doing all this shit. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Turn. Watch the taking.
Yeah, call my mama, bro. Call my mama, bro.
Take the police. Good job.
Call my mama, bro.
Who's got shackles?
Probably
Bro, y'all hurt me like a Bro, I'm gonna get out, bro. I don't care about none of this shit. And I'm gonna be back out.
Shackle her. And then put her in there. Watch it.
You can't bring her to Valor?
No, we cannot, LP. She just picked one of us.
Bro, I did not pick that one.
She missed. This one, lift it.
Bro, what is on my feet?
You're not going to be able to kick us anymore.
Bro.
Alright.
This jail shit don't mean shit to me, but I've been in jail before. I don't sit in jail shit. Money good. I'ma bond out and be back out on this road again.
Okay.
I'ma show y'all, bro. I'ma show you better than I can tell you. Naya, call my mama, bro.
We got a wagon coming?
Yeah. After, issues.
Naya, call my mama, bro.
She said, shut up. Stop talking.
Bitch, I ain't gotta shut up for nobody.
Are you related to her?
No, I'm just her best friend.
Did she take something tonight?
Huh?
Did she take something tonight that she acting like that?
She just got an attitude on her. That's really it, bro. Right, like that's really it. I promise you that's it, bro.
I'm like, if she took something, I just want to know if she needs medical.
No.
134.
No, she just got an attitude, man. That's her problem. Officer thinking that she might be on some stuff, man. I just think she has a bad attitude, you know. I think that you see it a lot with younger people, man. They have been allowed to get away with so many things throughout the course of their life that when it comes to respecting, officers, they just don't have it. They don't respect anyone. They don't respect officers. They don't respect teachers. They don't even respect their parents. I've seen this, man. And I think when people like this, when they get confronted with authority, man, and there's no way out, I think they behave this way. Look at her. I got money. I'm gonna buy my way out. I could show you better than I could tell you. She's screaming and yelling. They done yanked her damn wig off, threw the damn wig on the damn floor. Now her and the wig is gonna be arrested. She talking about call my mama. Come on, man. You see these quite often in these traffic stops. Call my mama, as if your mom is going to solve all your problems. And I believe that's the problem. You would have parents that would always, no matter how bad you were, would defend you and be on your side. I think that I really believe that it enables a person to just behave in a way like this. They're disrespectful, loud, obnoxious, and they are never wrong. They'll never sit up here and admit that they're wrong. This girl right here is going to jail and quite possibly will go to jail quite often in her future.
134, 135, 136.
Bro, this shit hurt.
You had $136 on the floor, okay?
Put it back in my purse.
Apparently,
She's
she
fine.
flicked off Macon flicked his light. She flicked him off, and then Macon turned off his lights, and she kept going.
She gave you the finger and took off?
Y'all always with me, bro. Bro, this shit's hurt. It don't take all of y'all to hold me like this.
It does. Kick the police, yes.
Bro, I don't owe y'all no loyalty. I don't owe y'all shit.
Okay.
Bitch, I don't even gotta respect you.
Okay.
Just because you got a badge on, you work for Volusia
Okay.
Daytona. Bitch,
Okay.
I don't owe you shit.
Okay.
I don't owe you none of y'all nothing. I can drive how I want to drive, do it how I want to do. Bitch, this is my life. I don't owe y'all shit. Nothing.
No, I'm telling you, she was like 70 miles an hour. When I was talking to you guys, she was already going, but I didn't have my lights. But before she turned to put my lights on, bro, she hit 70 over here. And zigzag, whatever.
She's screaming she's going to drive out wherever she wants to. She's going to end up hurting herself and somebody else.
Bro, you're hurting my heart, bro. You think
Hey, stop! Nonsense, bro. All this for what?
Bro, if y'all gonna take me to jail, why the f am I not there yet?
Because we're going to put you in a wagon instead of a car.
I was, bro, y'all hurting my arm. What the f hurting me, bro?
Stop pulling away.
You hurting my arm. What the f is wrong with you? Let me go.
Hey, that's one line in 10 in the back.
Yeah, unfortunately,
Appreciate you having us.
It's going to go with us. Appreciate you being here.
I'm not taking my tents off. Not doing none of that. So I don't know what y'all gonna ever do. In the car I get, my tents are gonna be just like that. So I don't know what y'all gonna want me to do. Every time I get a ticket, I'm gonna have to just pay. What the f? Simple. That's just what it is.
All this shit that she's saying, just make sure the judge is aware of this.
Okay. What you said so? Bitch, who the f are you? Hello?
How you doing, man?
She talked to her to try to calm her down a little
We've
bit.
tried that with other people already. She's all
She wanted to try to talk to her so she'll calm down.
Who? Who want to talk to her?
The one standing up with her.
You know her?
sons. They just want her to calm down.
Come on.
He said, come on.
We'll try it.
But if it doesn't work, just be willing to back away.
Down, baby. No shot. No shot. Oh, God. Baby, you making it worse.
This shit hurt, bro.
Moving and it won't hurt.
This shit hurt. Who is that? Ow, top. Take this shit off. This shit hurt my wrist, bro. Take this off, bro.
You gotta calm down, right?
Take these clothes off. Hurt my wrist, bro. Y'all don't give a f. This shit's not on you, bro. This shit's on me. This shit hurt. Ouch, bro. Take this off my wrist, bro. Bro, no, bro, no, bro, get the f off me, bro.
You're going.
Let's go over
Bring it to the wagon. You only got
Bro,
worse.
Come on.
Come on.
this hurt my feet. Take this off my feet, bro. No, bitch, I want me, bro. Get off me. Get off me, bro. Get off me. I just want my pants down, motherfucker.
Are you gonna step up on your own, or are we gonna have to put you in there? Stand up and walk out there.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up and walk.
Let me get out.
Walk out there. Tell her we'll adjust the wrist when she get up there. Step up there. We'll adjust the wrist when you get up there.
Baby, calm down, baby.
Bro, where's my mama at?
Walk up there. We're gonna put you in there. All right. Listen, walk in there. We gotta put you in there.
Bro, tell her give me my shoes, bro.
Where her shoes at?
Bro, they won't give me my shoes.
Take on. Get the shoes.
Calm down.
Give her her shoes.
Okay, but it's all the time consecutive things. They always with me, bro. Bro, y'all always with me, bro. Bro, you don't gotta make him me, bro. I'm not talking about the child, bitch. This whole shit.
Be respectful. Just go.
Bro, they don't respect me. I don't gotta respect them.
Thank you.
When you can, when she calms down, get those cuffs up front.
I didn't mean to cut you off.
I don't want to.
Miss Indignant. She was charged with fleeing, eluding police, a felony, assault on a law enforcement officer, 2 counts, misdemeanor, resisting with violence, felony, threatening a public servant, 2 counts, felony, battery on a law enforcement officer, felony. All for what? All for what? Let's just start with the whole part where they were trying to calm her down. I don't know who the lady was. Maybe it was a family friend. Maybe it was a family member. They tried to come over there and calm her down. What does that do? It gives her the green light to be even more performative. I've seen this my whole life. It almost never works. They become more loud, more obnoxious, crying. The victim. Body cams have exposed y'all, man. I'm telling you, y'all thought body cams was going to be y'all friend because y'all can sit up here, create this big performance, and from a distance, it looks like you're being manhandled. It looks like there's police brutality. But when you see those body cams and the dash cams and all the officers got body cams, we get an up close and personal look at you being an asshole. You're just an asshole, man. You're so indignant for no reason. And because of the way I believe you were raised, you don't have any respect for authority. None. I bet you're this way with anyone. I bet you're this way. Like I said, I had, mentioned before, law enforcement, probably teachers, probably your parents, anyone of authority. I've seen it. I've seen people that are teenagers and even in their 20s, man, act this way. Act like this. And you want your mama to come there for what? So she can be ashamed of the way you conduct yourself? Or probably what she's going to do is sit here and blame the officers and make her the victim because they have this ideology, victimization, man. And then you give them a platform to put on this performance. They're already talking about attorneys. I'm going to sue. Sue for what? You eluded the police. You were told to pull over. You fled, and you were going at high rates of speed. What did he say? 70 miles an hour and 25-mile-an-hour zone. And then none of that, none of that is, none of that comes to your mind. That to you is not a problem. The officers stopping you is the problem. The officers arresting you is the problem. Now you're the victim. They're only arresting you because you're black. They only arresting you because they messed around. They ain't got nothing else to do. No, you broke the law. Simple as that. You broke the law. And you endangered not only yourself, your passengers, but potentially other people, maybe just walking around. Do you know how often I hear of people getting hit just walking, in traffic? Just walking at a crosswalk. Someone's not paying attention, whatever. They're driving at rates of speed. Boom, they take someone's life. It's crazy, man. Anyway, man, let me know what y'all think, man. I believe this woman here is what I like to call an indignant.